Hi children, hello, how are you all? Hope all are doing well. Yes, good children. Yes, children, suppose you want to invite your best friend to your home. Okay, how? But your friend don't know the way to come to your house. Then how do you explain the way, or how do you direct him? Direct your friend to come to your house. You have to tell the way. In which place you are staying. That you have to tell to your friend. Then only he can come or she can come, isn't it? Yes. So to invite your friend to your house, you have to tell the address. So how do you tell about that? Suppose your friend name is Rahul. Oh Rahul, my house is near Sai Baba temple, or my house is near to the Jubilee hospital. Near to the hospital there is a street, left side. You have to come to the left side of the hospital, or when you come it is on the left side. Near to the hospital there is a small street or small lane. Come straight, then turn left, then right. You can see a yellow color building. It is my house. Like that, you have to tell, isn't it? How do you direct your friend? You have to tell the way to come to your house. Yes or no? Yes. So there you tell, come straight, turn left, right, etc. Isn't it? So what is this things like right, left, up, down? They are actually directions. They are actually directions. So you have to tell your friend the correct direction. You have to direct him to your house. You will use different directions to tell the address of your place, or if someone is asking you address. Do you know where is Sai Baba temple here? Yes uncle, you have to go straight, then turn left, you can see the temple. So straight, left, right, these are all directions we say. Yes or no? Yes. So right, left, straight, turning left, turning right. These kinds of words we use to say about an address, to tell about the address of a particular place, isn't it? That is direction, or these are directions. So today we are going to learn about directions. 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 Lesson 18. Directions. Okay. So how many directions are there? Do you know anything about directions? Yes. Let me tell you something before that. Morning, early morning. When you will get up in the morning, you want to go to school. You have to get ready to school. So you have to get up early. Getting up early is a good habit. So you are all good children, isn't it? Yes. So you get up early in the morning. Then only you can do all the work. You have to brush your teeth, you have to bath, you have to get ready, you have to eat breakfast, then you have to go to school. Yes or no? Yeah. Yes. So you get up early. Children, you are all good children, so you get up early in the morning. At what time you will get up? Yes. You get up maybe at 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, according to your the school timings, isn't it? If your school van or school bus comes to the stop, you have to get up early and you have to go to the stop waiting for the school bus or school van, isn't it? Yes. So getting up early and going to the school. So morning you get up, early morning. So morning when you go out, you can see the sun rising, isn't it? So where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. That you already learned. You know, sun rises in the east, isn't it? Yes. So I will tell you a way how to find direction, an easy way. Try to do this. Okay children, morning when you get up, you can see outside, you can see the sun rising, the beautiful sun rising. So just go out of your house and stretch your arms like this, open your arms like this and stand in front of the sun. Stand in front of the sun. Sun rises here, sun rises in the east. So you have to stand in front of the sun and open your arms or stretch your arms like this. Okay? Yes. So the side where you are facing the sun, it is east because sun rises in the east. So this direction is called east. Then beside you or behind you or opposite to the east we say it is west. So you are standing in front of the sun. So this is the east direction, and opposite or behind you it is west direction. East, then EAST east, then west, WEST west. So you are standing in front of the rising sun. It is the east direction. Opposite to you is the west direction. Then the direction to the left of you. Left is your north and right side is the south direction. So east, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. Isn't it? Left is your north and right is your south. So east, west, north, south. These are the four main directions. The four main directions are east, west, north, south. These are the four main directions. So which are the four main directions? East, west, north and south. Okay children, so when you get up early in the morning, stand in front of the rising sun, open your arms, then you can find the direction very easily. Where is your north, where is your south, where is your west, where is your east? You can easily find it. Okay, this is the easy method to find the direction. So direction actually helps us in locating places. We use these directions to locate a place, to tell the address of a place, to find a place. You will use these directions. Not only left, right and all. We use main directions like east, west, north, south. So these four are the main directions: east, west, north and south. Okay children? Yes, so directions helps us in locating places actually. So if I ask you which neighbor is staying beside your home or to the left side of your house, whose house is there? You can tell, isn't it? Yes. In front of your house, who is staying? Front means opposite to your house. So we use these kinds of words to tell the direction: opposite, left, right, up, down. These words we use for directions. But the four main directions are east, 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 west, 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 then north and south, NORTH, north, SOUTH, south. So four main directions: east, west, north and south. Okay children? Yes. Now we can read your course book. So lesson 18, directions. Let's warm up. Write the direction in which each of the following activity happen. So here you can see two images children. One image is of sunrise, rising sun image you can see. Another image you can see is sunset image you can see here. Okay, sunset and sunrise. So you have to write the direction of this sunrise as well as sunset. So when does the sun rise or where does the sun rise? Sun rises in which direction? Sun rises in the east. So below the picture, blank is there. You have to write the east, the direction in which each of the activity happened. The first one is sunrise. Sun rises in the east. E-A-S-T, east. You have to write east there. Okay, children? Now, next picture, second image is sunset. You can see sun is going down. Isn't it? Means sun is setting there. Sun sets. So, sun sets in which direction? Yes, in west. Isn't it? Sun rises in the east and sets in the west. So, you have to write west. W-E-S-T, west. So, you have to write west below the image. And on the blank, you have to write west. So, the sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. Morning we can see sun rising, isn't it? And evening, late night, evening after coming back to your home from school, evening time you can see slowly the sun is going down, means sun is setting, isn't it? So sun sets in the west, in west direction, isn't it? Yes. So there are four main directions. Which are the four main directions? East, west, north and south. N-O-R-T-H, north, then south, S-O-U-T-H, south. So there are four main directions: east, west, north, south. E-A-S-T, east, W-E-S-T, west, N-O-R-T-H, north, S-O-U-T-H, south. So there are four main directions: east, west, north and south. It helps us in reading maps. These directions helps us in what? Reading maps. M-A-P-S, maps. Map means what? Yes, it is drawing of earth. When we draw earth, it is called a map, or drawing an area on a flat surface. On a flat surface, if we draw something, flat surface, if we draw something, we can call it as a map. Or drawing of earth, on a flat surface, drawing of earth is called map. So these directions helps in reading map, because in map everything they have given in directions, or we can say on map the directions are marked in different way, in different manner. The directions are marked in a map. So in a map, top of the map always shows point towards north. We say north is up. North is up means top of the map always point towards north, and bottom point or down, it is south always. So in a map, top of the map always point towards north, and bottom point or down is south. Up is north, down is south, or top is north, bottom is south. Then on a map, east is right. Right side of the map is always east, and left side of the map is always west. So these directions help us in reading maps. Map means drawing of a earth or area, drawing an area on a flat surface. It is a map. On a map, directions are shown in different way. Top or the up portion is always north, bottom or down is always south, and left is always west, and right is always east on a map. So there are four main directions: east, west, north and south, it helps us in reading maps. On a map, east is right, west is left, north is up and south is down. Yes. If you are facing the sun in the mornings, see, you can see the image of a girl facing the sun in the morning. Okay? Yes. If you are facing the sun in the mornings, in front of you is the east direction. When you face the sun, the rising sun in the morning, front of you, it is which direction? It is east, isn't it? East direction, EAST, east. Then the sun rises in the east, isn't it? Where the sun rises, where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. Then behind you, you are standing in front of the rising sun. Front of you, it is the east direction, and behind you means opposite to you, opposite to that sun, it is what? West direction, W-E-S-T, west. The sun sets in the west. Then on your left side is the north direction, N-O-R-T-H, north, and on your right is the south direction, S-O-U-T-H, south. So stand in front of the rising sun in the morning, open your arms, in front of you is the sun rises, isn't it? It is east, and behind you is west, then left side is north and right side is south. This way you can find or locate the directions very easily. So today or tomorrow morning you can try this, isn't it? Stand in front of rising sun, open your arms, stretch your arms and see the directions. You can tell the direction to your parents, mummy or daddy, the area, the place where I am facing the rising sun. This direction is east. Where I am facing the rising sun, it is east, and behind me it is west, and north side it is, left is the north and right is the south. You can tell these are the directions. Okay, you can tell to your parents, stand in front of the rising sun and locate the directions and tell to your parents. Okay, so we learned about 4 main directions. The 4 main directions are east, west, north and south. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west, isn't it? Yes. And these directions helps us in reading map. Map means drawing of earth is called a map. On the map, everything we can see the directions they marked in different way. Always the top, up portion is north, down, bottom part is south, and east is on the right side and west is on the left side. So on the map, this is the direction always, north, south, east, west. On a map, north, south, east, west. Yes. Now, directions which face each other are called opposite directions. Okay. Suppose you and your friend standing like this, face to face you are standing, or we can say opposite direction. If there is a house in front of you, you can say my opposite direction to our house is another house. My friend is staying there. So 2 houses like this, one here, one here. So they are facing each other, means opposite directions we can say. Directions which face each other are called opposite directions. What we say? Opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite direction. D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N. E-C-T-I-O-N means opposite directions means what? Direction that facing each other. Facing each other. When we face each other, we can say we are facing opposite. Facing each other. Opposite direction. This is opposite direction. Facing each other. It is called opposite directions. We use compass to find direction. You know compass, there is an instrument called compass. Round shape. You can see the image, the children. Compass image is here. And there is a needle here in the middle. You can see a needle. Okay. A needle is there. And directions also they have marked. Directions also they have marked there. N. They have marked east. They have marked E. S. They have marked W. West also they have marked. North, south, east, west. On the image you can see children 4 directions they have marked. For in the instrument compass. This instrument is called compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Compass. C-O-M-P-A-S-S. Compass. It is an instrument to find the direction. In olden days, earlier days, when people go sail and go in ship and all, what happens, you know, in the middle of the sea, to find the direction is very difficult. They are far away from the land, in the middle of the sea. If they want to find the direction, they use this instrument called compass. What is the speciality of this instrument, you know? Compass. This instrument, when we place this, when we keep this, what happens? The needle always points towards north. This needle, it always points towards which direction? The needle always points towards the north direction. So, people can understand, oh, this is north. By knowing the north direction, the other direction they can easily find. Because the compass needle always point towards north. So the north direction they easily find out from the instrument compass. Then the other direction, south, east, west, they can understand after knowing the direction north. So when in ship, the people when they travel in ship for a long journey and all, when they travel in ship, usually in olden days they use this instrument to find the direction, because to find direction is easy, because in compass this instrument the compass needle always point towards north direction. So when they keep the compass here wherever they are, the north direction easily they can find out. Then they will find another directions easily. Okay, so directions with facing each other. It is opposite direction, and we use compass to find directions. Okay, so there are many different directions also. I told you when you explain the way to your house to your friend. Suppose your friend wanted to come to your house. When you tell him the way, you tell from here, from the hospital or from the kirana shop, you have to come straight, then turn left, then right, like that. So we use these words: straight, left, right, up, down. So these are also directions, isn't it? So these are also different directions. So you can see the image of a boy standing here. Boy. So up means top, down means bottom, then left and right, you know. My right is this and my left is this, isn't it? So these are another directions: up, down, left, right, isn't it? Yes. There you can see another image of a car. A car has back as well as front. Back side of the car you know. Front side of the car also you know. So back, front, these are also directions. Okay children?